To begin, let's go to the ONU box and type in vids.new. Vids opens and you'll see Gemini pops up to help us. So we can get Gemini to create our vid template by typing in a prompt here. Gemini creates the template. Then we choose which of the sample templates or layouts we'll use, and Gemini will help us to create from here. And here we are, Gemini has created the template for us to use. Give some quick feedback. Let's jump in and have a look at this template. So this is what our vid will look like. Here is our script that Gemini has written for us also. We can create an image with Gemini if we want. We can choose our template if we want to choose a different one. We can also choose our own media from our drive to insert into our vid. Let's see what videos we have available. We can also choose stock images, videos, GIFs, stickers and music. We can choose our recording button, or we can open our script again. Here's our script that Gemini wrote for us. With Gemini we can also get it to read that script for us and choose the voice that we want Gemini to read our script in. We can choose the conversational and we can insert that into our timeline. You can see now the script is sitting in there in the timeline. We can also choose to record our camera, the screen and camera, the screen, or record a voiceover. We can choose to share the vid, just like we would any other drive file. So let's have a look at what this vid now looks like. So here's what the vid looks like. That video is stock images, and we can replace that. We can also replace any of the words or images that pop up. That video is pretty good. We can keep that one, I think. So that's a look at how Gemini can help to create a template and also create some resources to use in the vid.